Part 2.
Hello, sir. I would like
Again.
to tell you that your...
Go.
I cannot do the timing.
Ready?
Hello, sir. I would like to tell you that your wife will be calling. This is her now. I would probably say it is best if you do not answer this call. She will be giving you headache for sure. She will be asking you for money. She will be telling you she spent money. Probably the best you just leave this phone to ring until battery runs flat and then you just run. Don't look back. Just run. This is anyways just my advice. It is up to you if you take it or not. Have yourself a nice day.
I like that one. Shall I have that as my ringtone?
Yeah, what else?
Um,
Earlier, I like the other one. There's another one.
oh,
The earlier I already... What's that?
the wife
It's
is
the
calling.
wife.
Sir, your wife is calling. Your wife is ringing the phone. If you let it ring, she'll know something's wrong. She'll not hear it from me that you are on the computer checking her recent searches. Oh no, sir. I'll not tell on you. Sir, shall I answer the phone now?
Let's see if this one's wife calling Stephen. No, probably not, but you never know.
We never know. You have your name there.
No.
Hey, your wife is calling, please pick up the call. Hey, your wife is calling, please pick up the call.
Okay, go.
Oh my god, it's the ex-wife. Yes, it's her. Did you remember to pay last month's child support? How about this month's? Answer the phone now, or she'll take you back to court.
Scary wife.
Don't be afraid. Your wife is calling.
I got that. I think I got that one.
Oh, Google, I'm so cool. What is that? That one, spouse is calling.
Hey, your spouse is calling. Please pick up the phone. Hey, your spouse is calling. Please pick up the phone. Hey, your spouse is calling. Please pick up the phone.
What about this next one?
Again,
Which one?
the alert,
The sniffing one.
sniffing one.
Ready?
Sniffing wife.
Yeah.
Alert.
Dude, it's the wife. You know what happened the last time you didn't answer her call. Stop. Now slowly back away from that person next to you. You know the wife can smell through that phone. Hurry and answer it. She's frowning. Now she's sniffing. Your boys have run off. They know you are in big trouble.
What is that? Text message. You know what? What is that? The whip
Wife.
wife. Okay,
Ready?
go.
Hey, your wife is calling. Answer it, you wimp.
A phone call from a sexy lady. That'll ding-dang do for me.
Ready for the next one? I'm gonna
What
do
is
this
that?
one. Hindi.
Hindi. Okay, Hindi. Hindi wife is calling.
आपके पत्नी का फोन है, कृपया फोन उठाइए. Your wife is calling. Please answer the phone.
Oh, what about this one?
What
Uh,
is?
this one.
Yeah.
It's your wife
That's a
too.
Stephen calling.
Oh yeah. No, you have
The
to. do that one.
wife.
It's your wife.
Family B. Wife
Hold
call.
on, let's do this one.
Okay.
Hello, it's your phone ringing.
Again.
Wait a
Again.
minute, you started and you said it again.
Again. because I didn't know what it's all about. So I need to get ready myself. Okay, go.
Ready?
Oh, yeah, go.
Hello, it's your phone ringing. Who could it be? Well, let me just take a look for you. Let's see. It's your wife. Oh, yeah. Go and get it. Answer it. Yahoo!
What's this one?
Hey, Steven is calling. Please pick up the phone. Hey, Steven is calling. Please pick up the call.
Good day, that one.
That was good. That's nice. That's supposed to be for B, yeah.
Your wife is attempting to reach you on your cellular device. Your wife is attempting to reach you on your cellular device.
No contestes. Tu mujer, es tu mujer. Oye, peligro, no contestes. Es tu mujer, no seas huevón, vos. Tu mujer. No contestes, es un peligro. No contestes, vos, no seas huevón. No contestes. Es un peligro.
Oh God! That's it now.
that's-
I've had enough. I've had enough.
Right.
That's enough now.
Wait a minute.
I'm done with my. Look at that. I'm really done. Set. It's 7 minutes. I've done it.
It's your wife calling. Don't you want to pick up and find out what's going on? Find out what's going on.
This one's country Tennessee whiskey.
Take your move. Telephone's ringing. Wife is calling. Oh, you better get it.
That's a good one.
Yeah. Do it again. Do it again.
Ready?
Ready. Again. Sorry, again. Again. Okay.
Ready?
Ready.
Telephone's ringing. Wife is calling. Oh, you better get it.
I like that. I like that. So sexy. Nasa gina, uy, con mo, 8 minutes and 49.